Welcome to the software testing lesson part 2. In this lesson, we'll learn about what is testing and what is the importance of testing by using some real-world example. So let's start. Say you are a tailor and you are making a shirt for a customer with following specifications. The shirt must fit large size, it must be blue in color, it must have a round neck, and it must have short sleeves. Now when the shirt is made, tailor will test the shirt on a large size mannequin, making sure that it fits properly and that it satisfies all the specified criteria. After it's tested, the shirt will be delivered to the customer. And this is simply the concept of testing. Whether it's a material product or a software product, the universal idea of testing is to ensure that we are delivering the right product to the customer. Now, let's consider a slightly different scenario where tailor made the shirt but did not test it before shipping to the customer. What could go wrong here? Well, there are chances that the shirt is not of customer's liking because it's not fitting right or it does not feel comfortable. In this case, the customer would end up returning the shirt, ask for a refund or an exchange. Now, let's take a pause and understand the differences between the two scenarios that we just discussed. In scenario 1, the tailor tested the shirt before shipping to the customer. So there are high chances of customer satisfaction as compared to scenario 2 where the shirt was not even tested before delivering to the customer. Next, scenario 1 is going to be more cost and time effective as compared to scenario 2 where the customer may end up returning the product and ask for a refund, or the tailor may have to go back and fix the product or even remake it, which can cause a delay to the other ongoing tailoring projects. Testing is all about making sure that the product is working as expected. Testing helps you proactively find the issues which can be fixed in a cost-effective manner. To summarize, testing prior to release is essential because it helps in finding and fixing bugs in the software. It ensures quality and reliability of a product. It enhances the customer experience. It mitigates the risk of failure. And finally, and most importantly, testing helps us save money by catching issues early in the development phase. I hope with this simple example, you are clear on the basic idea of what is testing and what is its importance. Keep watching and I'll see you in the next lesson.